The gravel pit. Oh, Marissa, look how many you have there.
Papa, help me.
Later when we're done.
Ow, ow. The female is trying that too. You must have gone anyway. John, go on. Female, go on it with you.
Which hill is this? There's a fish head on here. It's probably a
Bear, eat it.
seagull came. Illegal.
Siblings are flying. We will reach the top of the gravel.
Grab this.
Mac, you can do it. Come on.
You see, I told you.
Just like skiing to the side. There.
Can female come down and hold my hand?
No.
You don't hold it now anymore because it's down already below you. You hold it here, but over
Run
there.
up. You gotta run up.
1, 2, 3, go.
Run up.
Crawl. You can crawl. There,
No,
crawl.
no, it's okay. It's okay. Get down. She's gonna fall now. It will be crying all day. These abrasions.
Crawl. We did it in Hingat Munan. Go. There, more.
Stop, Mama.
Quick. Let's go quick.
Hold my hand.
See, you did it.
Go that way. Yeah.
No matter how hard life is,
Now, let
just
me
keep trying
get from
to
front,
reach your goal.
make it look like
There's no easy way to be where you want to be. It takes so much effort, perseverance, and endurance. to reach your goal in life. So just hang on there, hold tight, pray to God,
How about
and do your best.
So nothing will have to go down to it.
Get another one in.
This is gonna be so hard.
That's fine still.
Oh, now you got a backstop.
I don't want to play grandma anymore.
Yeah.
Oh!
No, we don't want to play.
Just give you guys the trophy. You guys won.
4. Okay, so we're at 6 to 4.
We just crushed it.
Wow.
Whoa,
Wow, Kate is
I'll
a
lose
shooter.
to that any day, 'cause that was pretty clutch.
that was awesome.
I gotta say.
The champion.
Victory!
D for victory, yeah. Or vendetta.
Little fish in the water.
I know, look. She collected rocks again.
Oh yeah, yeah. Quite a few. Oh, fossils.
Ah. It's very, very hot.
There was, but I went. You didn't even know? I know he thought I saw.
Maritulta, where are you?
Have you seen any? No, I haven't seen any here.